Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create professional brand logos in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. If you don't have one, you can download and install for free via a official website, of course. And try to sign in or try to create an account first if you don't have one. So here you can click on apps and try to search under the trending apps. There is a logo maker, so you can create professional brand logos made easy. Whether you're a small business owner, entrepreneur, designer, logo maker empower you to create stunning logos effortlessly. So click to use new design, and let's start with the canvas. Just use this whiteboard. And here you can describe the logo you want, for example, a martial art club, or dojo. Click create. Now creating your logo, please wait, this may take a few seconds. And here we go. So if you don't satisfy, you can add more details like words, objects, color, or shapes. So let's start again. Let's start with the coffee shop with a green themes and earthy taste. Like create, and here we go. This is the coffee shop logos. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.